Another method to find the standard equation of hyperbola is that you try to sketch the graph with what's the given information. Okay, given information here is center -3, 1, and then you passes through 1.13, and you got the asymptote over here. Okay, so you know center for sure, -3 and 1. And now this center, you will have a asymptote, which two asymptotes. So one is slanted up and another one will be slanted down. Now, question, does the graph open up down or left right? Now this is where your this particular point is important, because this point is 1, 3. So 1 for sure you know will be inside over here, but the 3, where does the 3 lies? Whether the 3 lies here, 3, or whether the 3 lies on top of it. Now if your 3 lies below your asymptote, then you know you're going to have a graph something like this. But if your 3 is above, so you have a graph that passes through on top of it. So you know with up down, this is going to be up down. If it is over here, it's going to be left right. So how to know actually where does the 3 lies? So you have another one, which is this particular asymptote, right? Now this asymptote is crucial for you to know where does the 3 lies. So if let's say lah, you rearrange your this equation, you have y equivalent to set 2 over by 2, x plus by 3 set 2 plus 2 over by 2. Now you can know your 3 is when, if it is at 0 over here, this is 0, right? Now this particular point is what? So you have over here x equivalent to 0, so you're going to have x-intercept. If it's x-intercept, y equivalent to set 2 multiplied by 0, for sure it's going to be 0, plus by 3 set 2 plus 2 over by 2, where y approximately equivalent to 3 set 2 plus by 2 divided by 2. Approximately you're going to have 3.12. So this particular point is going to have, it's going to give you 3.12. Now where do you think the 3 will be? Whether over here, the first part A, or over here, part B. If this is 3.12, is it logic for you to put the 1 here and 3 is on top? Because this is already 3.12. So for sure, 3 is going to be below here, right? So basically, your graph will actually have here. Doesn't matter lah whether it crosses or not, but you know this particular point is 1, 3. So you know that this is open, left, right. Then straight away you just have to say that your transverse axis parallel to x-axis, where you're going to have equation x minus h square over by a square a plus minus by y minus by k square over by b square equivalent to 1, with the slope of m. This is gonna having a b, right? So it's gonna be b over by a. Then again, you do the same thing as what you've done, like I mentioned in class, where your m basically is m basically is this one, set 2 by 2. So you got whether a or b equivalent to set 2 by 2, a where b squared equivalent to 4 over by 2 a squared, b squared equivalent to half a squared. And substitute your center, the one just now, -3, 1 and 0.13, which is the x and y, this is h and k, into the equation. So you're gonna have this is gonna have 1 minus 3 square over by a square minus by y 3 minus 1 square over by b square, basically is half a square equal to 1. So you have over here 4 square 16 over by a square. This is going to be 4 over by half a square equal to 1. And simplify, you're going to get 16 minus a square over by 8 over by a square equal to 1, where they're going to give 8 over by a square equivalent to 1, a square equivalent to 8. And then substitute into this, b square equivalent to half multiplied by 8 equivalent to 4. Once you get this, you already can get your final answer, where x minus pi plus 3 square over by a square minus pi y minus pi 1 over by 4 square equal to 1. That's all.